This is our lesson on multiplying binomials using generic rectangles. You'll notice I've drawn three rectangles up here. They look like squares, but you can think of them as rectangles. And on the outside in blue, I've written some values. What we're going to do is we're going to multiply those values together. So we have x plus 3 times x minus 4. So basically you can think of this as finding the area. Each one of these is the length of a side of each one of these rectangles inside. So on the bottom left here, the height is x and the width is x. To find the area, we take base times height. X times x is x squared. For the top one, we have a height of 3 and a base of x. 3 times x is 3x. For the bottom right, we have a height of x and a base of negative 4. So the area is x times negative 4, negative 4x. And for the top right, we have a height of 3 and a base of negative 4. So the area is 3 times negative 4, or negative 12. And then the last thing we want to do for a problem like this is we want to combine all of our like terms to find a total area for the rectangle. So we have x squared, a 3x, and a negative 4x. We can combine those to give us negative x. And then we have negative 12. So x plus 3 times x minus 4 gives us x squared minus x minus 12. Moving over to another example, 2x plus 1 times 3x plus 2. 2x times 3x is 6x squared. 3x times 1 is 3x. 2x times 2 is 4x. And 1 times 2 is 2. Combine all of those like terms on the inside. 6x squared, 3x plus 4x is 7x, and then positive 2. So 2x plus 1 times 3x plus 2 equals 6x squared plus 7x plus 2. And that's basically all you need to know for multiplying binomials using generic rectangles. I did put one other rectangle on here to show you that you can use this to multiply two numbers together as well. For example, if we wanted to take 53 times 47, we can separate that into 53 and 47. Okay. 50 times 40 is 2,000. 3 times 40 is 120. 50 times 7 is 350. And 3 times 7 is 21. This works fairly easy because now you're taking numbers that end in 0, multiplying them together, and it's a lot easier than multiplying numbers that end in a 3 and a 7. And then all we have to do is add up those numbers inside. So 2,000 plus 350 gives us 2,350, plus 120 gives us 2,470, plus 21 gives us 2,491.